So, guys, we're going to play Mama's birthday vlog. She doesn't know, she's a very surprise for her. And let's catch her emotions, reaction, what she has to see, because she doesn't know anything. Okay, so yeah, hello, Mama, and happy birthday. May God bless you. Thank you for everything for supporting us. Tu sodan samke inga sodan adar dila and sodan support kel duye.
Happy birthday, Mama. God bless you. I know you're missing Dada today, but you know that wherever he is, his blessings are always on us. He's proud of you, and thank you for always keeping us in your prayers and always giving us that love and support. God bless you.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Happy birthday, Nana. God bless you. Have a nice, wonderful birthday. I love you. Happy
Day to you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Kata nama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Very happy birthday, Mami. God bless you. देवान तुझे जाए तो आशीर्वाद कालो.
Happy birthday, Mama. God bless you.
What you say? Happy birthday, Granny. Say. Clap your hands. Happy birthday, Granny. First. Happy birthday, Granny. Say.
Birthday.
Yeah. Give flying kiss. Give Granny. Very good. I love you. Say.
I love you.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Granny. Happy birthday, Granny.
Say Granny.
Granny.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Love you. Say.
I love you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tia.
I wish you many happy returns of the day, Tia.
Happy birthday, Maria.
Hi Maria, wish you many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Maria. I hope you have a wonderful day today.
Happy birthday Maria auntie,
Have a wonderful day.
And we love you.
Happy birthday, Maria auntie. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Loads of love.
Happy birthday, Maria. God bless you. तुका शाल बोरी जल्बाची परब आवडेता. Hi.
Hello, Maria auntie. Happy birthday. देवान तुका आपल्या मोगान आणि बेसावानी बोलू.
Happy birthday, Maria Auntie. May God bless you. I miss you and your black tea.
Happy birthday, Maria. We all miss you and we'll all love you. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Maria auntie from Pebble.
Happy birthday, Maria Auntie. May God bless you and give you good health.
Many happy returns of the day, Maria. And God bless you.
Maria, happy birthday. देवान तुका सदां बरी भलायकी.
Happy birthday, Maria auntie. May God bless you with good health and happiness on a special occasion.
Many happy returns of the day, Maria auntie.
Maria, happy birthday.
Hi, Maria. Many happy return of the day. Yashago. Borehanu. May God bless you today and always.
Happy birthday Maria.
Happy birthday, Maria. Have a blessed year and a wonderful.
Happy birthday, Maria. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. काळजांतन खुशी तुका देवान आनीक चलोम दीस फावो केल्ल्या पासून तुजे इतले बरे फ्रेंड देवान म्हाका फावो केल्ल्या पासून तुका भांगाराक आनी मोतयांपासून सोर करूंक जायना इतलें तूं प्रिशियस जावन आसा म्हज्या जिवितांत मारिया भयणी हांव तुज्या पासो सदांच मागतां बरी भलायकी दी म्हण आनी बरी भलायकीन दवर म्हण हॅपी बर्थडे मारिया हॅपी बर्थडे टू यू Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maria. Happy birthday to you.
It is a blessing to have you in our life. It's not easy to find a person like you, Mama. You have always kept us connected, loved, and showed us the right way. We all are blessed to have you in our life. It is very important to have a right person at the right time. Birthday le doga?
Best.
Huh?
Best.
Happy birthday, good Nana. For you. Mommy, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mommy. God bless you.
See?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, boy. Happy birthday. This vase has been given by Alrina, my colleague and my friend. She has gifted this to Mama. She likes plants, so that's why she has given this one. Thank you, Alrina.
So mamage birthday Cashlin chorizo pulao kela and I kela pork curry kela. चोड रावल ना बिकॉज आम मागीर इवनिंग डिनरा वयतली सो येस इतलें केलां लेट्स कट मामाज बर्थडे केक Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Pale, what pale? Fu. Kata lagi. Congratulations and celebration. I want the world to know how old and that it is.
Asti.
Sana?
Now let's eat the cake.
हॅलो सगल्या म्हज्या फॅमिलीक म्हज्या फ्रेंडांक आनी म्हज्या युट्यूबरांक सगल्यांक हांव काळजांतां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा म्हाका विश केल्ल्या पासत आनी देवान तुमकां खूब आशिर्वादान भरूं म्हणून देवा लागीं मागता.
Hi friends, so we are going for a dinner now. Mama's birthday. So surprise, I think dinner was for me. And this dinner, Nadia is sponsoring for us. आता व्हडली जाल्ली ती आता सारखे. So she is taking for us for dinner. And I'm a driver.
I'm sitting
आणि
behind,
हाटण्याचे सगळे बोलले.
including myself.
बारीकशी थंडी चालू हा किती म्हणते सांगा काल माशी.
Hay fever.
Hay fever. It's a weather. It's also not really good. It is like night gets. It was -2, -4. Not -2, 2 degrees, 4 degrees.
Yeah.
In the morning it's like 16, 20 degrees. दुनिया भडकोना की जातले.
Kisha, say hi, friends.
Hi friends, बोले हाँ check कोट भी करना. So we are going to a very nice place. This is local in Swindon itself over here. It's a very fine dining Not really fine dining though, but it's a nice Indian cuisine. Say Sadang Goa ni ate Hainam kiya dala. Indian ni mashe kurva ate London na leke jata. We should try that a lot like it. But here after a long time we are going. Nan haparu chelu hin nadia chod mama paras. So we are going to an Indian restaurant and let's see what we can find. We had checked the menu, it's very nice. And we'll show you the place how it is. So guys, you see that we have already reached over here. It's a very nice place. It's called, what's this restaurant? The Raj. The famous Raj, it says. It's like an orbital over here. They got playing game around here for kids. There's a Cine World. There's a couple of more restaurants down over here as well. So beautiful. It's the first time experience that we are coming out over here. So let's check out how is the experience and how it's going to treat us today.
Let's see, Mama.
Hey, Badegal, Badegal.
An angel. Myself.
Hello, Kisha. You can only have beer when you're 22 years old. Hi. You can only have beer when you're 22 years old. Hi, Sherry. Hi. You told me, remember?
Kisha is wearing this.
Kisha pony gaile
She just came and she grabbed the menu. What to eat?
No, don't go like
watching for a drink.
I'm looking for drink. See, it says drink menu.
Kisha in the high chair.
Take your lollipop. Take lollipop. Go. You can't get off.
Pospada ka high chair.
Doesn't even like lollipop.
It's 2 minutes ago you wanted your lollipop. 2 minutes ago.
On a serious note, guys, I'm telling you, whoever has kids and they go to the restaurants, heads off to them because I don't know how it is so easy to manage. I think so. We've been in restaurants before. Yeah, Kisha was over, but today Kisha. Sorry, what shit we bought her? Anath kids alta se dekha. I'll show you. Sorry, क्या इसमें सोन कित कहले? they कहते हैं that God is love. She's watching that, and she's in her own and she can't sit in the high chair. Kisha, I'm just waiting her to grow up as Angel, so that she can sit very nicely like Angel and have a nice time. Is it Angel?
Okay, Mama ordered vegetable spring rolls. The chicken haina and taklagon she like this. These are starters. We ordered chicken 65, fries, and
Chili garlic.
chili garlic. And these are Angel and Mama. Kisha is here eating French fries. And this one is good.
I'll tell you what, guys, I'm really not happy at this place. I'm going for a dinner somewhere else for the main course. I read about the reviews, very nice, but the food seems to be good. I don't know how tasty it is, but we've been to the restaurant before and we know that how it has been. But what I've read about it is not the same. So my recommendation, anyone working in here, don't keep an expectation from the point of view how if you're being in London, you've been served over there, don't keep the same expectation here. I really do not like this place. So I've changed my mind. I'm just having a starters and after this I'm moving out to another place. Next I'll Google up, I'll see what are that, because I don't know this place a lot. That's why we are trying to find out. I'll go to some other restaurant, see out there. For main course, I'll go somewhere else. I prefer to go even in McDonald's, honestly, but not at the sit over here. Mood pida kal mujhe sarka idni.
I don't want to comment anything about the food, but customer service to this place was very bad.
Dinner karwa dusre restaurant ay laya tha. Mandovi. Let's see how it is. So we walked into Mandovi's. As of now, my mood is becoming better.
Yeah.
Yeah, the guy also is very
That Raj
friendly.
restaurant, friends, it was really, really bad. I'm telling you,
Yeah,
please
honestly, I was
don't go
disappointed.
there.
I had my starters over there. Everything you have to ask for. A place
Even had
of
to
that
ask for
size
plates.
and the service of that size that you're looking for, it's not expectable. Like, that you have to ask for everything. So, was not really good experience. So, I just ordered for a starter. We came out and I called up to this place, Mandovi's. He was the guy who picked up the call, was very gentle. 9:30, I walked in, 10 o'clock is the last closing time for them. And what is the best thing is like, he just very friendly person, I would say. He just tested me. I was ordering extra. He did it. He said, don't need. If you need, you ask me later. I will get it. So this is business. He would just sell it to me like that only. But as of now, very nice. I'll see for the food how it is. I'll get back again to you. So that was what I ordered. Okay.
So here we ordered chicken lollipop, mutton chops gravy, chili garlic naan, and squid chili fry.
Is eating chicken lollipop. She had squids also.
Get calamari.
Calamari you like, Angel?
That's good, I know.
Yes, calamari is the same.
Mama also is eating.
Review for this place. Honestly, very nice food. Guys can visit. Worth of it. Mutton chops, very nice. Calamari we ordered, very nice. He's enjoying. So was worth of the day for me to spend over here. I would have got mad if I would have spent it earlier with the first place when I went to Raj. So as of now, very happy. Things are going good.
Happy birthday to you.
Surprise with Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So sweet. Alright guys, the food was really amazing and it came with a really good surprise. There's this guy I want to introduce to him. He is a partner and the owner as well for this place. And trust me, if I know to cook, that means I will give you an honest review. The food was really amazing. Not because that he has done something really special. It's just because the food was really nice. Yeah, that's a gajar ka hawa. But he made a cake out of it and he just brought it on the table. What I want to say is that because people who come to Swindon or people guys from Swindon also, it's very nice. I would recommend this place. Don't have to think twice. There's parking also close by. 2 minutes walk from the place where I am. So very nice. And I'll show you how this place looks like as well. So guys, one you see with me, he's Savio. And Caetano. So our restaurant as I said it, I'd been to another restaurant. I walked out from there just because I didn't like it. Mama's birthday, so we just came to celebrate. But Savio, thank you. You made it look very special. The food was really nice. And that is my honest review because I cook food. If you follow me, you will see I have a lot of more than 100 foods that I've put out across and a lot of people who watch it. So you will see if I say it means a lot, guys, that my review goes ready. You know that. You guys have already tried my recipes, what I do. And anyone who does come around in Swindon Rawat and Lokalikun, make a visit. Mandovi's, very nice. There's a place where you can celebrate birthday parties.
Yeah, how many people? I can accommodate around 40 to 50 people.
40 to
If
50.
you like to throw any parties, christening parties, baby shower or wake party or whatever it is, this is the right place to come and enjoy your evening or whatever it is.
There you go, guys. Not that I knew a lot about this Swindon. This is something I came to know because many times people ask me, one of my friends who was getting married now recently, next week his wedding is, he was asking me about a venue. I didn't know anything about. But something that I came to know about the birthday parties or christening that you want to do, there is a place over here where can accommodate 30 to 40 people. And I would say the price will be very reasonable as well compared to any other places. And the food also, there's no doubt about it. You can come, give a try. Parking also is very easy. And you have a drinks as well. And if we come for food a lot. So this is the place I would say. I've tried a couple of places around, but as of now, I'll say I'll be visiting back again. They do breakfast as well, don't forget that. Guys do breakfast.
We do breakfast, start at 9 o'clock. It's like proper Goan breakfast. If you guys miss an attempt to eat Goan breakfast, this is the right place to come and enjoy a morning breakfast.
Special kide kalwa bhaji kalwa roast kota roast separate kalwa roast guys tum ugda sasolo bhaji bhaji kota gyani ek recipe hoga hum rokdi maiti sunta bhaji korba hoiti but to have it with your family, do come over here and you'll find it. Thank you, Savio.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi friends and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. I hope you all are doing well by the grace of God. Well, to be said, we are very sorry for coming so late and not being updating with our vlogs or our recipes as regularly, because few days back the things was not going alright. Hearing my voice, you guys will be understanding कि हांव बरो नासलो म्हणून. खरें बरो नासलो, थोडी जाली मगे सारकी, थोडी इतली चाडवली की तुमकां म्हणल्यार उलोवपाकूच जायना, कांय जायना. मामागे बर्थडे जालो and from the next day I was not well. Same happened with Nadia as well. Nadia बरो नासलें. पयलीं किशा मातशी थोडी जाल्ली, तेन्ना ते एक ब्लॉगांत दाखयलो पळय तेगे दुखू गोवता म्हणून तेका मातशें जाल्लें. मागीर तेगे पूण आमकां मागीर तें सोडूं जाय कित्याक बिकॉज वेदर ओनली वॉज लायक सो हॉरेबल. Because in the night, the weather used to go to 2 degrees, 4 degrees like that. But in the morning, it's like, okay, 18, 19 degrees, 20 degrees. So, goram ho jata, साथ ही आता. So, could not cope up with that again. And I knew, like, okay, I was feeling, few days back, I was not feeling okay. I knew this will be coming for me. ते बोकड्या सूप कोण पिल्या मग बरें जाता, मागीर ते थोडी बी भायर सरता. So, तेका लागून खोलना ती. And yeah, so that's why we just sorry for that. And but yet we had done some video shoots of Mama's birthday, because we had gone for a dinner out and with family. Only we family had gone out, and at one place the experience was like so horrible, like roller coaster. Right? Google review bit so in Sarkeshkon, because as I said, I'm very new to this place in Sweden and I don't know much places around. So I just googled up to see Indian cuisine. London ki jata, we knew about those places, where to go and how to go, like which places. And London, most of the places are good only. But here, I just googled up and I saw, okay, menu bichoilo online, very good review, nice place. And at the very same place, it's like arcade over there, and there is a bowling and all stuff for kids, Cine World and everything. The place is good around, the atmosphere is good. But the restaurant that we went was horrible, guys. It's the Raj, the name of the restaurant. It's very horrible. Worst experience of mine, because this time started to order and we paid about like 35, 40, yeah, almost 40, 42 pounds something. And literally, only for starters, order I had to ask for them like, okay, well, side plates are high, or you'll have napkins or anything, kaya. So I don't know what it was like. And he telling the manager, the staff had just come now, they're new, they're not trained. Setup, it looks like okay, because you're seeing an Asian and you're trying to treat it like that. And I did tell him, because I've been into industry for a really long time, so don't even say that thing, like, don't even tell, like, you need to train. If you're having a reputation for yourself, keep it up to the standards. Don't leave it just like that. And I was really disappointed. And I Mudu Pida Galden. Mudu Hare Pida, so I said, Yami. And my thing out dinner, like main course, John Jopa, Ramni Karakote, so Kardani Google, back to Google, and Mandovi restaurant is there, which is in town center in Sweden. It's run by a Goan guy. So I just gave him a call. It was like 9:30, 9 o'clock. I gave him a call. I said, see, you guys probably might be closing time. Would you be able to get a table for 5 of us? Like, by a dorun, 4 or 5 days. I'm going to power to Makitlu, 9:30 is Saturday. So, not a problem to you, can I? We'll keep it. So, when I went over there, I'll tell you what. The way he kite ami goinkara gele not because the esko sampa ki is a goinkar and tene gelo I mag this time poile muget sut I actually goinkara fedano spa tinga huncha am gele kon goinkara ge restaurant every day I eat Goan food gara ko ranta and you know that I cook and we make our cooking is to really we make to the standard, so they mag sodan Goan food hapana khalole. I wanted like okay something say Indian dishes hatomo, but in this restaurant they had an Indian dish. I did not go because online with sopa also na kind sopa also na menu hagina pita. But when we went over there, I'll tell you what, we tried the calamaris, the way, and mama surprised ke gajar ka halwa cake ko dil de, like, we told him mama's birthday, so we had to come. Very nice guy, very nice place. The food was amazing. We really liked it and very friendly. Mostly it's uncomfortable then. You feel like you're home only. Like, somebody, that's more important, isn't it? Like, when you go to the place, it looks like that, okay, that you should be very, like, you should be connected to the place. Like, there are people who work over there make you connected. And that's what happened. And so we had that a really good experience at Mandovi's. Very good restaurant. So people who travel from here, far away, coming to Swindon, or if you want to go, try this place. Mandovi's is just in the town center. So I hope you all will forgive us for this, for not coming regularly at this time. But now things are getting better and we will try our best to make the schedules back again and to cope up with this videos back again. And I hope you all will enjoy this vlog as well. So friends, enjoy this. And oh my god, lapit, injogo. Lapit say. Oh my god, lapit. Hello, Baba.
Hello.
Kesai ke? Chapili.
Chapili.
Jelly.
Jelly.
Yo, amge yogurt. Yogurt. Yogurt.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed watching us this vlog. And thank you for loving and supporting us always. And the way how you have shared your love, please do share this with your love, family and friends. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And please press the bell icon for the next notification. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all. And my final word to say, adios. Adios, Baba.
Adios.
Adios.